mommy and daddy. Are you looking for something truly special for your little one? Welcome to Mira Baby Bliss, where every baby shines. Every piece here is carefully selected for softness, beauty, and the joy it brings to every parent.
Hello and welcome. Are you a business owner trying to stand out and attract more customers? Then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you step by step through how to create a professional business advert that not only look amazing but also converts viewers into loyal customers. Whether you're promoting fashion, baby product, food, or services, you will learn how to plan, script, style, and present your business the right way. In my previous tutorial, I thought about how to subscribe with Veo 3 and how to use Veo 3, and I believe we achieved a lot. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to generate an advert with Veo 3. Let's go. So all you have to do is to go to Chatgpt. If you go to Chatgpt, go to Chatgpt and type this. So this is what I told Chatgpt. I'll tell Chatgpt, I want to create an advertisement for my brand name, Mira Baby Clothing. Kindly suggest a better name because we are into selling of baby clothing. The lady should be in a beautiful outfit with heels and displaying most of the baby clothing. She's inside the clothing shop. Please provide me with the best prompt using Veo 3. The lady should use a Nigerian accent. Include the dialogue, action, camera shots, settings, background, and smiles. And that is it. Let me say, let's send. Alright, so this is the name it suggested for me, Mira Baby Bliss. Why is warm, sweet, and memorable. It captures the joy and peace parents associate with trusting their babies in quality clothing. So this is it, the title. Welcome to Mira Baby Bliss, where style meets cuteness. Alright, so this is it, and I would advise you shouldn't use the same thing. If you want to generate yours, you should try to capture or think about something. You have to be constructive and think about what you really want to display or what you really want to advertise on. Alright, so this is what it gave me. So this is the opening scene, this is the camera, all right, and the dialogue as well. All right, so this is dialogue. She said, my sister, come closer. This one no be regular baby wear. This is Mira Baby Bliss, wear cuteness, they wear confidence. Actually, I don't want pigeon. I don't want pigeon. Please, I don't want pigeon. She should sound Nigerian but use English. All right, so in case it gave you something you don't want, you can actually edit it. So you've gone back again. So most times it can be very funny. You have to keep on adjusting most of the things that you don't want. Alright, so this is what it gave me. This is the format, the style, and duration. Actually, remember in my previous video I told you all that it is used you can generate only 8 seconds video. You cannot exceed it, so you have to know how to use your prompt. You could add few of the dialogue and you keep on editing, you keep on pressing. All right, and in this tutorial, if you've been following me, if you've watched the previous video, I talked about we used flow. All right, so before we go to that, let's copy our prompt. So we copy from here. All right, so this is the first dialogue. This is what I'm going to copy. All right, I'm All right, so this is the first one I'm going to copy, so I'll copy it. Then let's move to Google Flow. All you have to do is to go to your Google. So all you have to go is to go to your Chrome browser. Go to your Chrome browser, just type Google Flow. So selecting the second one that is displaying Flow. So once you've selected the second one that displays Flow, this is how the interface looks like. If yours is not like this, you have to go back again and check. Don't make this mistake. All right, I've already tutorial you on how to use this. So if you're a beginner, if you've not used it before, please go to the previous video and access it. So it is loading. All right, so here we are. The first thing to observe here is that you see this Pro once you've subscribed successfully, just like I said in the previous video. Then here is where you select new project. All right, so when you select new project, you will see something like this, text to video. So this text to video is what we'll be using. Then you select by the right hand side, you select here, and we're using one output, which means we're not generating two videos in order to secure our coins. We can't waste our coins. So here is where you select this is view 2. All right, view 2, when you select view 2, your video will be mute. Then we work with view 3 like I explained in the previous video. So they're only deducting 20 coins on this generation. So this is where we'll paste our prompt. So this duration is only 8 seconds. All right, so just check your prompt so that you will not make any mistake. Okay, so this is the dialogue. All right, so let's generate our video. You select here. All right, so once it is 100%, we are good to go. Please make sure you select the view 3 fast text to video. Our video is ready.
Hello, mommy and daddy. Are you looking for something truly special for your little one? Welcome to Mira Baby Bliss.
All right, after that, the next thing to do is to download it. All right, after that, I'll show you how to download it. Then you go back. If you want the image to be consistent, you have to go back to her dialogue. This is her dialogue where she said, "Hello, mommy and daddy." You just you click on it and select, highlight it, click on it, highlight it, and press. All right, so this is the second prompt which I've generated. In order to edit it, you just have to select here and check the dialogue she made. So I still use the same features. I did not change any of her features in order to keep the character to be consistent. So this is where I'm going to change her dialogue here. All you have to do is to select like this. If you select it, then you pressed, the dialogue will change. All right, so this is the dialogue now. All right, so after that, remember to set this. Don't forget this. Remember to make sure that this is at view 3. If you made any mistake, most times it changes. if you make any mistake, you discover that your dialogue, there won't be any dialogue. So let's send. This is all you have to do. This is the third scene,
where every baby shines. Every piece here is carefully selected for softness, beauty, and the joy it brings to every parent.
You keep on repeating the same process, changing your dialogue. If you want to see change the outfit, you can still go there and change the outfit. But remember to add the dialogue, and remember to use Veo 3. This is very important. Discover that a lot are having issues with subscribing directly to Veo 3. All you have to do is to select your profile, go to payment and method, then you select payment method, alright, and you add your credit here. After this, you have successfully linked your card to your Play Store. Then after this, you go back again and try to subscribe again. And that is it. Now you know how to create a business video advert that speaks directly to your audience and sells your brand with confidence. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive tools. It's about clarity, creativity, and consistency. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, feel free to drop your question in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Until next time, keep building, keep shining, and let your business speak with style.